For those of you who couldn't make the Shriners car show today, I've put together this video, so I hope you enjoy it. The Milha t-shirts were for sale and they were $20 each.
I'm at the Shriners car show at the Moose, and there's 52 cars that showed up today. It's threat of rain. It's very humid out here, so not too bad that 52 cars showed up. Awesome.
It's a 1967 Chevy Malibu.
There you go. Gotta make sure you smile for the camera. Smile for the camera.
It's a 2019 black Porsche, or Porsche.
About 60 cars and trucks showed up for the Shriners car show.
This is car number 23. It's a 1965 Mustang.
There he is.
Number 33. It's a 1984 Buick Riviera.
Saw that.
All right, this is the President's Choice. This is our President of Melha Vintage Auto, Wojo they call him. President's Choice is car number 31. It's a 69 Javelin.
Ooh. It's Jeff's car. Oh, nice. Wow, President's Choice. President's Choice. Good job.
Choice, and he chose, there's not a car number, but obviously it's a 1956 Continental.
That's a beautiful car.
Car number 48, it's a 1969 Charger RT.
Awesome. Awesome, Linda. You got it. Destin Show.
Congratulations to all the trophy winners.
This is Greg. He's going to tell me a little bit about...
I won the duck. Come on, honey. They want a picture of us with the car.
Yeah, I want to get a picture of you guys in the car, and then just tell me a little bit more about it, like on video. Okay, perfect. You began with this.
Well, I bought the car when I was 16 years old. I was in high school, and I saw it on the Penny Saver advertising, and I went up. I got it for 800 bucks, and it was kind of funny. I brought it home. My dad looked at it. It was 40 years old then, and my father says, "It was your money. You buy the car. That's your car. But remember, when it comes February and it's freezing out, that's your car." So it's been with me ever since. Its name is Fireball because it's caught on fire 3 times. Its original name, my mother had named it Aunt Ethel after premium gasoline.
Oh, jeez.
So yeah, I
like Fireball. I like Fireball.
Yeah, did you see the name on the
I
back?
did. I saw the name.
So yeah,
You've had it for 50 years.
50 years. Yeah.
That's unbelievable. Well, thank you for showing it today. This is great.
You're more than welcome.
I hope we get to see you again sometime soon.
Yeah, do you want to go for a ride around the field?
No, that's okay.
Are you sure? We can
Yeah.
just take you around here.
Oh, that's okay. But thank you anyway.
Alrighty. Well,
Thank you
very
both
much
of
for
you
the duck.
guys. Yeah, bye-bye.
I should go.
Duck. Why don't you duck?